Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Downshift. My name is Oris and today we're in the middle of nowhere with the Infiniti Q60 Red Sport 400, and the reason being is that I posted a video a while ago about the speculative Nissan 400Z, and I said that it's going to be using the Red Sport's engine, well at least most likely. So let's go ahead and take a look at that right now. So this is the power plant on the 400 Red Sport. V6 twin turbo 3-liter engine, and you guessed it, 400 horsepower, 350 pound-feet of torque, and it sounds pretty good. Maybe not as good as the 370Z, but let's find that out for you right now. Let's go full throttle right now and see what this thing sounds like. Definitely no 370Z, but that thing sounds pretty good. If the Nissan 400Z is going to sound like that, I don't think people are going to be mad. Let's be honest. So we've obviously got everything in sport mode. We've just pulled over and done that, and so we're gonna go for our first pull with this thing fully sport, fully dynamic. Let's see how it responds. 400 horsepower, 350 pound-feet of torque. Let's see what the 400Z is gonna be like. Oh, all right, all right, all right. Oh yeah, that's sportier. Did you feel that kick? That is way sportier. I want to let this guy go behind me so I can give it a nice little, oh yeah, it's way more responsive. Okay, if the 400Z is going to be anything like this, it's going to be a treat, because you can put extra boost on these turbos, which they've done from the 3-liter already, with 2 intercoolers, or intercooler pumps, I believe. So you could easily get 450 probably from this. So this thing is going to be moving. Yeah, let's pull into a straight. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, yeah,
just letting you.
Foot to the floor. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this moves so much faster. I need to get this guy off my tail, though. What is with these guys following? Welcome to living in Canada, eh? All right, so that is the Infiniti Q60 Red Sport 400, obviously, denoting 400 horsepower, which might just be in the Nissan 400Z. Doesn't sound exactly as good as the 370Z, but the engine is pretty good. It's definitely tunable. You could probably get 450 horsepower out of it. I wouldn't be surprised if they did an Nismo version and got like 480 out of it, which is what so many people have been speculating, but I guess we'll just have to see. So comment down below if you guys think that's going to be the engine, this engine in this car in the 400Z. And that's pretty much gonna do it. Finally, before I go, big shout out to my buddy who literally let me take this car out and beat on it. He just picked up the keys today. His Instagram is @LegionX so go follow him if you guys are interested in cool photography. He's gonna be doing a lot of car stuff. But that is gonna do it. Subscribe if you wanna see more content. Like, obviously. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.